Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. Today is actually Super Bowl Sunday, and I wanted to film a kind of Sunday day in my life because I've been truly enjoying my Sundays now. I already started off by making a iced shaken espresso. I've been so obsessed with these. I love to treat myself to these on the weekend. They're just so tasty. They're so quick and easy to make. I should have showed you guys how I made it. So I'm gonna get ready to go to church. I'm actually gonna film like a church get ready with me. So that's what I'm gonna work on right now. I'm gonna do some laundry. Alex and I are gonna make wings and apps tonight. I also have to get some schoolwork done, so I want to find a coffee shop to go to after church. Coming out with me. I need to get ready quick though because your girl woke up late, but I was gonna try to go to the early church service, but when I woke up, it looked like this outside. Just snow everywhere, and it was coming down way harder earlier. So I was like, yeah, no, I'm still a Florida girl at heart. I don't know how I feel about driving in the snow. Luckily, the church that I found and have been really liking, they have a later service as well. I also need to clean up today. I feel like I have a busy day. I definitely should have gotten up earlier, but it is what it is. I'm gonna try to organize everything here so I can start filming, and I'll see you guys in a little. Okay, so this is my outfit. I wanted to pop a color, and it's Valentine's Day weekend, so I'm wearing the pink sweater. It's like a taupey pink sweater that I got from Target last year. These pants that I got from Forever 21 like 5 years ago. And then I have this jacket because it's 27 degrees outside. And then to tie in like the cream from the jacket, I'm wearing these booties from Steve Madden that are a nice bone color. And then I have my little Amazon bag, but I think this is cute-ish. Jesus is gonna love me regardless. So fragrances always set the tone for my day. I'm thinking Armani My Way because I honestly don't wear her that often. Also, I don't know if I've shown you guys this, but this is a fragrance rack I got from Amazon, and I love it because you can like see everything super clean. So I'm debating between, oh, ugly hair tie, but I'm thinking Armani My Way because I've been loving this scent, and I honestly don't wear it that often because I feel like it's a very daytime scent, but it's also a little not intimidating, but I feel like Modern Muse could also be cute. No, we're gonna go with My Way. All right, guys, let's get to church. So I just got out of church now. It was a really good service. Dang, it's already 1 o'clock. It was really good, and it's so crazy because I just filmed a video talking about like how I found this church and like what I was looking for in a church. And in that video I was talking about like how diversity is really important to me in the church, and how like I need to be out there spreading the gospel with others, all sharing the same love for God, but coming from all different walks of life. And that's literally what the message was about. So I thought that was so freaking amazing. I just made it home from church. Right now it's currently 1 o'clock. At 3 o'clock I have to do an order pickup from Stop and Shop. So I think in the meantime I'm gonna clean up, get a little bit of laundry started, and then I'm gonna head to like a cute coffee shop. I think I'm gonna go to the same one that I went to last week, and that way I can get a bulk of my homework done. I found that, why is my lighting so weird? I found that if I spend 2 hours at a coffee shop, I will get the equivalent amount of work as like 4 hours getting work done in my house. Like I end up getting way more done in such a short period of time. So I want to do that again. It worked out really well last Sunday. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up. Currently 3:15, and I did some cleaning up in the house. I made a little IG reel. I'm starving. I have not eaten all day. So I'm going to go to this cute little coffee shop that I went to last Sunday. Food there looks so good. I've never tried it before, but I want to get like a gyro, like a chicken gyro or something like that from there. Just left the coffee shop. I just got a sandwich from there and it was mad expensive and it was not that good, but I figured while I was in the area I wanted to show you guys. Oh wait, did I miss it? I wanted to show you guys one of the houses that were in a Hallmark movie. It's right here. Oh my gosh, it's called the house on Honeysuckle Lane. Up to it right now. This was the house in the movie. It was a Hallmark movie, House on Honeysuckle Lane. Look how beautiful that is. I love this area because it just looks like a cute little quaint Christmas town. And if you know me, you know I love Christmas. But now I gotta head to Stop and Shop and pick up my order. Oh my god, the dog in his little sweater. Oh my goodness, what a good boy. Okay, but I want a dog. Anyways, I'm going to head to Stop and Shop now. Alright, we are Super Bowl Sunday ready. We have stuff to make some nachos, stuff for some wings, and then what's in here? Oh, spaghetti squash for the week. This isn't really our groceries, it's just for Super Bowl Sunday. I did the majority of the groceries already, so I'm just gonna put this away. I don't know why I still have my coat on. Wash my hands. Ooh, I kind of want to make my shaken espresso again. I did not take my vitamins today, so I'm feeling so tired, so I'm gonna make myself a hot shaken espresso. I had an iced one this morning. It was so tasty, but it was really cold outside and I want to feel warm and cozy. So I'm only gonna do it with one shot of espresso because it is already 4:25 and I want to still be able to sleep tonight, but I still have like work to get done. I also still need to cook and all that. Today just flew by. I'm just using my little Amazon espresso maker, and then I'll shake it up in this little mason jar once it's done with a little bit of brown sugar, and then I just add my almond milk creamer. My espresso is done. I'm dumb and didn't have the thing all the way under, so a little bit of the espresso got on the side. Look how bright this thing is. I got it from Amazon. Okay, so then what I like to do is take my mug. I just got these really cute mugs from Crate and Barrel because my sister got me a gift card from them. But this is the creamer that I've been using lately. It's just the Natural Bliss almond milk. For whatever reason, all the grocery stores around me are out of the Silk almond milk creamer, which is my favorite. So I pour about that. That actually might be too much. Oh no. Then I like to warm this up for 30 or maybe 20 seconds. I just take a mason jar like this, pour the hot espresso in there, and I just take a small spoonful of some brown sugar, shake her up. And it just gets it so frothy. Pour that into the coffee cup. Get all the foam in there. And voila, you have your shaken espresso. I love it so much. Look who made it to the Sunday party.
I don't actually want to be in this.
Aw, okay, it was just for 1 second. Nachos going. It's literally so simple. Put some tortilla chips, some Fiesta blend cheese, banana peppers, a little bit of salsa, put it in the oven for like 10 minutes at like 400, and then I add a little bit of this on top. So good. They're a little burnt, but they, I'm sure, are still very tasty. Ooh, that was not a good chip, but this crema is fueguísimo. You happy it's Super Bowl Sunday? I did everything for you. I made nachos and wings.
I'm so happy.
Okay, then just say I'm so happy it's Super Bowl Sunday.
I'm so happy my wife is here.
Yay! We got the wings going.
Hey.
These are like barbecue teriyaki. They're so good. And I just like shake them up in a big bowl. It's like this but bigger. It's just in the sink. I'm washing it, but they're very good. All right, I'm gonna close out this vlog because there's really not much else to show you. Thank you for hanging out with me on this Super Bowl Sunday.
And I'm so happy. I'm so happy.
And Alex is so happy. No, he's not. He actually hates me and all.
My wife is here and she made me wings.
He's just trying to. He doesn't want to get any hate comments. Oh yeah, I'm gonna watch the Super Bowl, finish up my homework, and I'll see you guys later. Love you guys. Bye.